Maayong adlaw mga higala. This is your Maestra Judy. I teach Bisaya Conversational Cebuano. Today, I'm going to teach you how to say, what should we order in Bisaya? What should we order is, unsa atong orderon. Unsa atong orderon. Let's break it down. What is unsa? Unsa. Atong is we or ours. Atong is a contracted word of ato plus the nga linker. Ato nga. Orderon, orderon. So the R here is more emphasized. Orderon is should order. Okay, so we have adopted some English terms and we use it sometimes in our day-to-day conversation. So orderon is, order is an English term, and then we just added the suffix on. The suffix on means there is an intention that the person will do the action. So there's a big chance that he or she will do it. Okay, so orderon is should order. So let's repeat it one more time and maybe repeat after me as well. Unsa atong orderon. Orderon. Okay, now you know how to say this. Maybe next time when you go to a restaurant, you may need to use this question. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Don't forget to like this video. If you're very new, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a visit. Please visit my site, Cebuano101.com. I hope to see you there. Bye for now.